Good morning friends and welcome to the pre-market session. We had a very strong close for the US markets as some of the manufacturing data points were very positive. In fact, one of the data points was negative, but market brushed aside that, and in fact S&P and Dow both closed at a very strong level. Even European markets were up about 1 to 1.5%, though some of the data points from Europe were not good, but because of the better set of data coming out from China and US, the overall sentiment was positive. Also friends, when we look at the Asian markets, most of the markets are in positive territory except Nikkei, which is down about 0.4%. Remember that Chinese markets are shut till Thursday. Back home friends, we also had a very strong close yesterday, and the start for the new series in April and this quarter has been rather strong, which is good news, and even flows have been pretty good. If you look at yesterday's number, the FI's net buying was to the tune of about 246 crore and the domestic institutions were sellers to the tune of 73 crore. The broad feeling is that the overall economic recovery has started. If you look at the auto sales numbers, the cement dispatch numbers, and even the manufacturing data that was out is suggesting that overall we are on a recovery path, and that is probably leading to this kind of a strong movement in the market. With those remarks, let me invite Gaurav to do a technical check on the market. Hi Gaurav, going by the SGX Nifty, we would close somewhere around 5400 as it is suggesting about 40 points hike in the morning session. So looking at the technical levels, what is your outlook going forward?
Yeah, as we have seen in the recent past, Nifty has taken support near 200 DMA twice. That is first in this instance, and second the current low. And the current move has originated from 200 DMA as well as from the falling trend line from where Nifty had broken out in the last few weeks. Overall, Nifty could form a triangular or a wedges pattern at current level. However, upper trend line is 5385, and Nifty manages to surpass 5385 and sustains above the trend line, and preferably closes above that trend line, then previous high, that is 5630, would be on radar. It has crossed 20 DMA as well as 40 DMA, which is 5291 and 5272, and which will act as a crucial support going forward.
Okay, so what you're saying is that if we manage to stabilize above 5385, 5400 levels, then we have the potential to go up to as high as about 5630, which means about 200 to 225 points kind of a pop in the Nifty. Also, if you look at the momentum indicators, we've seen some crossover happening. So what does that mean?
Yeah, that's right. A momentum indicator was showing positive divergence, which was a bullish sign, and it has given a positive crossover with the 9-period moving average, which indicates that something new has started on upside, and momentum is in sync with the price rally on upside. Even a shorter term momentum, that is hourly momentum, is trading above the 9-period moving average and is comfortably placed up in the positive territory. Whereas on hourly chart, we can see that Nifty has broken out from a short wedges pattern and is currently trading about 20 and 40 hourly moving averages, which are at 5251 and 5257 respectively.
Also, if you could give us some sense of Bank Nifty and your outlook there.
Yeah, similarly, Bank Nifty has also taken support near 200 DMA. 200 DMA for Bank Nifty is around 9796, and the current move has originated from there, and it is currently trading near 20 DMA and 40 DMA. The levels are 10306 and 10185 for Bank Nifty. And going ahead, Bank Nifty has a target of the falling trend line, which is 10640. And even momentum indicator in case of Bank Nifty is also suggesting further upside potential.
Okay, and have we identified any specific trading opportunities looking at the charts?
Yeah, we have brought a couple of stocks. First is HDFC Bank. HDFC Bank has formed a short-term sideways correction, and it has broken out from the correction. It has surpassed the falling trend line as well as the moving average. Even momentum indicator is in line with the price breakout. So HDFC Bank is expected to trade with bullish bias, and supports for HDFC Bank are 513 and 490, whereas resistances are 540 and 565. Next stock is Sun Pharma. Sun Pharma has formed a triangular pattern, and A, B, C, D, E, that is all the 5 legs of the triangle are in place, and Sun Pharma is expected to start a new move from current level. Daily momentum indicator is supporting further upside potential. So Sun Pharma can trade with bullish bias as well, with support at 555 and 550, and breakout level is around 580, and beyond that 610 would be target for Sun Pharma.
Right, thanks a lot Gaurav for that update.
Thank you.
Friends, in terms of news flow, we had a very good set of numbers from the cement companies. The dispatch numbers that they announced were pretty impressive, particularly JP Associates recorded a growth of 32.5% in the dispatch numbers, and Ambuja Cement recorded a growth of 12.4%. Remember, Ambuja numbers came out during market hours and JP Associates numbers came out post market. So JP Associate would be a stock to watch out for in the morning. Also friends, BHEL is likely to announce its provisional numbers for this quarter. Because of the slower order inflow, the numbers may not be that impressive, and we are looking at about 8% kind of a cut in the net profit and about 16% kind of a growth in the top line. Also friends, in other side of news, the SEBI has allowed the listing of the bosses, and with certain conditions like a minimum net worth of 100 crore and a minimum public holding of 51% and setting up of certain compliance within the exchanges. So these are definitely positive news, and this could have some kind of positive implications for MCX, which was pretty strong yesterday. So there could be a 5 to 7% kind of an upside on the back of this news. Apart from that friends, because the Tamil Nadu state has allowed the hike in the tariff, we had seen a good amount of buying interest in stocks like REC, PFC and PTC. PTC stock, which is under our coverage, has an exposure of about 500 crore there, and if a similar action is taken by the other state electricity board like Rajasthan and UP, then that could bring about some kind of a sentimental change for some of these companies. So we could expect a good positive momentum in stocks like PFC, REC and PTC. Also friends, we have seen that some of these stocks in the mid cap space have seen a good positive action, particularly stocks like McDowell, where there is a buzz of a strong strategic investor coming in at a much higher valuation. The stock has run up, but we believe that there could be some more upside for it. So we feel that mid cap space could see some more action going forward also. That's it from all of us friends. Have a nice trading session.